Hey guys, so I'm gonna dye my hair blue. So I've seen this going around online, and this is from Moroccan Oil. It's their color depositing mask. So I'm gonna try it out, and I tried it blue. They have different colors. They have like rose gold, hibiscus, which is pink, blue. This is called aquamarine, and they have platinum as well. And then they also have some for like darker hair colors. But I want to try the blue mainly for like my ends, for like my blonde parts, you know, just to experiment with color. And honestly, I was just gonna do this on my own. I wasn't even gonna vlog it, and then I was just like, I should totally vlog this. Right now I'm just sectioning my parts, and this is like super simple. It says super straightforward. You just have to leave it on for like 5 to 7 minutes. Pretty simple. All right, I'm gonna fast forward you guys now. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it looks like the blue is definitely gonna stick to my blonde. Oh my god, how exciting. I'm gonna rinse it out now. Change my shirt into, you know, something that I wouldn't mind getting dirty. So I changed it into this old shirt. Guys, so I just finished washing my hair. Now I'm just going to take off and brush it and see how it looks. It's definitely blue. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can tell. I'm so excited. Can you guys tell? You guys can see it a little bit. You guys can totally see it. Look. I'm so excited. I can't wait for it to dry so I can see how it really looks. Guys, so I forgot to close out this video and tell you guys my overall thoughts and show you guys how my hair looks dry. So I am filming this video that you guys are watching right now, this like clip, 3 weeks after I did what you guys just saw. So basically this is like the remainder of that, because I really don't have any good pictures or any footage of my hair how it used to look before, but it hasn't really changed much. I guess it did, like there's not much color left, but there's still a lot of color left, to be honest. Like my ends are still pretty blue. So my overall thoughts, I really like this product. I think it's like fun to experiment using different colors. I would say, I am gonna say that this color only works with light hair. So if you are brunette, or if you have brown hair or dark brown or any like dark color, it will not work. It will not stick to the dark parts of your hair. It didn't, at least it didn't stick to mine, and I have pretty, you know, my hair's not dark brown, it's like brown. I feel like my hair is like a regular brown. Like in the sun, it doesn't look as dark as it is looking down here. You know what I'm saying? But even so, it didn't like really stick to it. Even though my hair is not too dark, naturally, it didn't stick to it. It just stuck to all of my blondes. I really have been enjoying the blue hair though. I think it looks cute. Especially since it's just only the ends that I'm left over with. but I like it. I think it looks super cute. Right now, this is all I have left over, which is basically my ends. It did stick to like whatever blonde highlights I had up here, and you guys can still kind of see it a little bit, how this part has like some blue to it, but it didn't stick to all of it. Like down here, it's only my ends, and that's it. But yeah, I really liked it. It lasted a long time. I've washed my hair like I would say 7 to 8 times in those 3 weeks that I've had it, and it's still going pretty strong. I do have to wash my hair today, so we'll see how it looks after. But I like it, and I really recommend it if you want to try different colors and just want to experiment and your hair is light. I definitely think this is a fun way to add some color to your hair without having to go through the whole process and paying so much money. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.